more drinks, bet she gon' win for sure. Low key dates,
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Keys here, man. Yeah, so this is gonna be a 2-in-1 video. Basically, I didn't have enough footage for you know, my message to your ex, so I'm just, you know, substituting it for my shoe pick. And you're gonna see that at the end of this video, but I just want to do an intro to this and tell y'all what's going on if y'all get a little confused, you know, because I always come with the heat, I come with the last, I come with the mojo, you know. Bro, road to 1K, bro. We almost there, bro, and I want my channel to keep growing, bro. Y'all gonna help me, bro. Y'all are my family, bro. Keep going, bro. Yeah, bro. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. Now let's get popping. What's your name?
Big Titty Obi. He's telling you this, man.
Alright. So if your ex was watching this right now, what would you say to her?
Remember that food that I bought you? Had acid in it.
What's your name?
Jace.
If you had one message to your ex, what would you say?
Die in the fire. Fucking hate you. If you fighting cancer, hope you lose. Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Fuck yourself.
What's up?
What's up?
What's your name?
Danny.
Alright, look. If your ex was watching this right now, what would you say to her?
Bitch, you look like a duck. My best friend still gonna beat your ass.
Damn!
Period.
Damn!
Go.
Your phone is upside down.
Alright, what's your name?
Carmen.
Alright, so if you had one thing to say to your ex right now, what would you say?
Hey.
That's it?
Like I was saying, fuck you, your moms,
really, nigga?
your dad, your cousins.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Fucking family, nigga. I'll burn your fucking house down, nigga.
I just finished. That was it.
Bitch. The door.
Go.
Alright, what's your name?
Dumbass motherfucker.
It's Jessica.
Alright, if you had one message to your ex, what would you say?
You a bitch. You an ugly bitch. You eat ass. That's why your breakfast was so shitty.
Yeah, man, come up and say, oh, fuck!
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Oh shit, I know who your ex is!
Myth.
What?
And by the way,
Me?
Me? Yes, there are.
Oh my god! Alright, we done now. Wrap that.
Hey, I was playing about that.
It's like, nah. Throw it in a picture.
Alright, what's your name?
I don't want your.
Boy, if you don't get...
ZK.
Alright, if you had one message to your ex, what would you say?
Stop texting me.
Stop texting me.
Alright, what's your name?
Man, all y'all gonna do is squash this.
Alright, so if your ex is watching this right now, what's one thing you can say to her?
Fuck you, die slowly. Fuck you and your dead homies. You bitch. You bitch. You bigger bitch. Fuck you. Bitch. Ugly bitch. Bitch. Bitch.
Really, nigga?
What's your name?
Detroit.
If you had one message to your ex, what would you say?
Her pussy was trash.
My nigga.
Well, like I was saying, black man philosophy is always going to be better than it was. So when you get one black man, look, light-skinned people.
Boom. What is up, guys? Looks like you made it to the end of the video. So yes, I'm doing a shoe pickup. I was going to post a vlog, but somehow my footage got deleted. So yeah, I'm just doing a review on them. Now, these shoes right here, I was thinking about getting these for a minute when I first heard about them. I guess they switched the colorway of them because they were supposed to be like peanut butter. But that's cool and all. I mean, I don't know if I should keep them dead stock or I don't really know if I should or not. But yeah, man. You got you. You see what it is. You see what it is. I don't know how many pairs I got. 6, 5, 3. Well, whatever. But yeah, man. I was kind of hyped for these. I was really hyped for these because it's like a different colorway. You know, something casual. I'm going with a lot of them. These are the Yeezy Sesames. Sesame, however you say Sesames, whatever. Yeah, sorry, open that, try it on. Now, people out there that's gonna pay retail for these, retail is not that bad. They are really not that bad. They can get them for like 3 something. Or 2, it depends. I don't know, but no, I think they went up. I gotta check though. But yes, bro, they're official. You see, tag. I don't wear fake stuff. You know. But I might. Sorry, no, I'm just playing. I don't wear nothing fake, bro. It was just a joke, bro. I wear nothing fake. But yeah, bro, these shoes, I know y'all might think, oh, Yeezys are dead, but I don't think they're really dead. I just think what I'm doing is not agreeable. That's why people are really not agreeing with these shoes, because it's like they're sponsoring Kanye or whatever. But and Yeezys in general, I think they're a comfortable shoe, an everyday shoe that you can wear with a lot of stuff. I mean, they're literally like a sock. I love shoes that are like socks. And this colorway, if you get it dirty, you really can't tell. These take me back to the V1s, the orange and gray ones, but it's not like a full gray. When you get these dirty, you really can't tell, and they look like they're easy to clean. But yeah, let me know if y'all got some zebras. The zebras that just dropped, hit me up, comment below or something. I'll cop them. But yeah, man, that's all I wanted to say, man. I just wanted to give y'all a review about this video. I mean, about these shoes, because I really like them. They're tough. Still don't know if I'm going to keep them dead stock. But yeah, man, it's simple as that. Like, before I end the video though, I just wanted to tell y'all how much I appreciate the love y'all been showing on my videos. Like, YouTube is good for me. I love making YouTube videos, bro. I want y'all to keep supporting me, man. Roll to 1K, bro. Y'all tell your friends. If all of y'all can tell 6 friends about me and make them subscribe, that would mean a lot to me, bro. Roll to 1K, bro. 1K, bro. That's all I really want from y'all, bro. I do appreciate it, bro. Hard work and dedication. We're never gonna forget that. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Peace out.